Hey, folks, welcome to InTheMoneyStocks.com's live trading action video. My name is Gareth Soloway, Chief Market Strategist here. Today's date, Thursday, March 5th, 2015. So I wanted to go over the day trades I took today and why I took them. And again, I'm huge on educating, guys. If you want to learn how to trade, you need to study. I mean, just that simple. And by showing you the winning trades that I'm taking here, it should enable you to mimic that and learn it, at least start to learn it, and that's the key. So let's start out with the 3-day trades today. I did with the intraday stock chat in the morning session, and again, I have the intraday stock chat in the morning. I take it from 9:30, so I'm open on the market, to 11:30, and then my partner Nick takes it in the afternoon for the rest of the day. So the key is here, today there were 3 great setups, and one thing I told the chat room about is this, and I said this to the newbies as well as the advanced traders in there, and I said, listen, you only need really 2 or 3 trades a day and you'll make a couple $1,000. I mean, that's really all you need to do. Some days the markets will give you 5 to 10 trades. Some days the markets will only give you 1 or 2. The point is you need to really look for only the best setups. As long as you only take the best setups, there's only going to be a few a day. You need to capitalize on them, and that's what we do. We're very disciplined. I only take the best of the best. That's why yesterday I had 4 winning trades in my morning session, all winners, no losers. Today 3, no losers again, just winners. And by doing that, you really don't put yourself in too much of harm's way. We're taking the best of the best. So let's get started here. Today, my first trade happened basically 10 minutes into the trading day, a little past 10 minutes. These are the 10-minute candles. So you can see on the second candle of the day, we came down on JPM on a straight shot, 1, 2 into the 200 moving average. All right, one thing I liked about the 200, not only is the 200 good here, but you also see a little bit of a pivot point right here in this area, and a little pivot right here. So what you can do is you can simply just take this area. All right, so see how pivot low, little pivot low here, little choppy pivot high here, and it all matches up with that 200 moving average. So when you come into that, not only do you have the 200 MA there and JPM is short-term oversold, but then you also have these other levels here which are going to get you a bounce. And this is what I call 80 to 90% success rate trade. All right, so sure enough, we took it, and we made 15 cents on a very easy scalp. I could have taken a lot more if I'd been patient, but again, my goal is to just make consistent money. I'm not looking to get the exact highs or the exact lows. I just want to get money out of the market every single day and grind it out, and that's the beauty of what we do here. So that was the first trade. Second trade came on Chesapeake. All right, Chesapeake was pointed out to me by a member in the chat room, and sure enough, I looked at it and I said, holy cow, I love this. Why? Well, if you look at the chart, you had a bottoming tail on the second candle of the day. As soon as I saw that bottoming candle close, I waited for a small pullback on the next 10-minute candle. We got that. All right, now, the other factor that I like, not only is a bottoming tail a buy signal, but you have to look at the larger picture. And when I zoom out on the larger picture, notice how oversold Chesapeake is. So when you have a chart that's this oversold and you finally get a bottoming tail, it's telling you that the stock is seeing a change from oversellers, so many sellers, to now more buyers than sellers. Okay? And sure enough, look at what Chesapeake did. I bought it right here, 15.21, and it bounces up, up, and away, and I ended up making a beautiful score on this one, guys. This one I took $750 on. So right there, first 2 trades, I'm up over a G note on the day, basically being in trades for, I don't know, 5-10 minutes. 5-10 minutes of work, over $1,000. All right, the last trade I did before I got off the mic today for my lunch break was Apple. Okay, and Apple was a very easy trade here. We picked it up. We made money very, very quickly. And again, many people were watching Apple and it was falling out of bed and they were too scared to get into it. However, what I said to my members, I said, listen, there's a great level approaching on Apple here. It's a double bottom right here. So what we're going to look to do is we're going to look to wait for the pierce, because when they pierce it, they're going to take a lot of stop orders out and it's going to flush it a little bit more. So what we ended up doing is we put our order down here, right around the 126.35. That was my exact entry, 126.35. So right here near the lows, just off the lows, and we picked it up. Okay, let me erase that trend line. Got a little out of control there. Bottom line is, look at the bounce that you got. We ended up making a beautiful score on this. I ended up taking a $450 profit on Apple. So just like that, 3 trades, maybe 10-15 minutes in total time in the market, over $1,500 in profits. And now Apple's coming down, but I'm out of it, so I really couldn't care less. If anything, maybe there'll be another scalp later today in this chart. But again, my point is, very simply, these are charts here, guys, and it's very easy. And I want to show you here, right now, and we'll take a look here, guys, and just extend this out a little bit. If we go right here to the intraday stock chat, and you click on that link, You can join us, 7-day free trial, 7-day free trial, beautiful free trial here. And again, come check it out. It is amazing, folks. We are the most disciplined chat room that takes the most, literally, if you look at any chat room out there, they're mostly garbage anyways. But, I mean, look at the track record of the chat room. Yesterday, 4 winners, no losers. Today, 3 winners, no losers. If you go back for the whole entire year, I've probably had 10 losers in total or under, and probably 150 winners at this stage, if not more. That is an unbelievable track record, over 90% success rate, folks, in the intraday stock chat. I think it's amazing. Doesn't mean we're not going to have a loser. Obviously, we do occasionally. The point is we find the charts that are the high reward, low risk setups, and that's what we isolate down. And ultimately, that's what we want to bring to our members: the discipline, the knowledge, the education, and the winning trades. Take care. Come join us, folks, at InTheMoneyStocks.com.